Aussie?
I'm Aussie. You Aussie?
Fuck knows where you're from.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now I'm shitting myself.
There's another place called Southern Big Bike. It should be called Southern No Bike.
Found a place to hire a Harley.
You're a tough negotiator. Here goes the calculator. Calculator.
Can I cry now?
Tough boxing.
His name's Bang.
So he's going to subscribe to the channel. You have YouTube?
YouTube.
Yeah.
โอ้เดี๋ยวยังไม่ได้เติมเงินเน็ตยุบ MAST
นี่หมูกัด
yeah good
Okay, good.
First day on the Harley. Beautiful sunny day. Here is our beast. Here is our beast. Sexy. Now that's an Iron 883, so I think. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is. Anyway, let's go. This is awesome. Cruising along, I've got my beautiful wife on the back. Poor thing's carrying the backpack. Let's look forward to some miles. Traffic's really good at this hour. If you're going to ride a bike around here, the best time is first thing in the morning, without a question. First thing in the morning rocks. This is so easy to ride because it's so light. So we're just going to a place called Chalong Bay, which is supposed to be beautiful. I think it's where all the ships pull in. And I've had a tip to have breakfast at the lighthouse. It's very interesting, people riding around these places, and it's crazy, like virtually no road rules. I'm driving all over the place, forget the lanes, doesn't really matter. And it seems to work for the best part. Don't get riding around with no shirt on or no helmet on. It's a value for life thing. If they just think their gods have got them covered. I think for the tourists, like this fuckwit I'm just passing. Okay, so that's the lighthouse. It's a baby lighthouse, and we're going to have breakfast here. So if you come to Chalong Bay, you got to stop in here. So this is like a cafe slash Bunnings slash general store slash toys for your kids. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I can't tell you if it's good or not. Check out the view. And it is good coffee. Now we're heading up to Big Buddha now, and it's amazing. It's like the largest Buddha, I think, in Thailand or something like that. Just met a couple of great guys from Boston. They're having a great time, so nice to meet you guys. Look at this roundabout, fucking nuts. Now, can I just say, you don't need to be Buddhist to get that experience. If you're here in Phuket, you need to get up to the Big Buddha at sunrise. Take my advice on that. It is serene. There is nobody up here. You'll get just the most beautiful photos, and it's just a beautiful, silent place to be. Just a bunch of roosters walking around the car park. Just an exceptional experience. It really was. I was so glad I did that. I won't be going around the booze, it's closed. Best coffee in Phuket is Coffee Mania, without doubt. If you're in Phuket, check out Coffee Mania. Coffee in a bag, getting the boots and the jeans off, and I'm getting in the pool. Last day in Phuket today, so I'm going on one last ride. We're going to head out to Nathon Beach. Won't miss this fucking traffic. Fucking hell. Fly up tomorrow back to Sydney. Get back into it for 2020. I'm just going to do one last ride. So we might head down all the way to Nathon Beach. It's a fair ride. It's about probably an hour. I mean, I know that's not a lot, but trust me, come to Thailand and do it. It's a lot when you're dealing with the fantastic roads and you know, the hustle and bustle and stuff like that. So, but it should be quite good. It should be good fun. I'm going to stay coastal because I'm hoping it'll be a bit cooler. I don't really want to go inland too far because it gets whopping hot. I have to say, this is definitely one of my favourite places in the world. I will say that straight out. I just love it. You know, if what you're after is culture, if what you're after is a place to relax, if what you're after is a place to have fun, if what you're after is a place to have some good shopping, awesome food, with friendly people, if you package your greatest place in the world that you could travel to, would it meet all of those tick boxes? The shit you do for a good shot. It's amazing when the drone got close to them, they all came up to say good day. How awesome was that? It's interesting, I just worked out this Harley actually doesn't have a fuel gauge at all. Just doing a servo. I just want to keep it filled up. This will be funny. This bike have no fuel gauge. This bike, no fuel gauge. Yeah. So do you take flybys here? Do you take flybys or like Woolworths rewards card or anything?
Are you YouTuber?
Yes. You watch YouTube?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Fast and Curious. I'll show you. We might have another subscriber there. There you go. So that was 140 baht I just put in, which is about $7. Two male police officers on a scooter.
Did I tell you it was hot? It's hot. Hot.
You're more than likely watching this channel or you know, my videos because, you know, you love Harleys or love touring. I'd like to think it's because you love me, but anyway, that's another discussion. We'll get into that later. But you've really got to do this. This is a great experience. That'd be a nice little clothes hanger for you on a motorcycle.